Hey, it's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel with an important update. Actually, I could update a bunch of things, but this needs to be quick. This stock is Shenandoah Telecommunications. I actually had already posted other videos about this. They have released the date, actually last week, of their special dividends. So they're going to be paying $18.75 per share as a special dividends. You have to own this share July 13th, actually 2 days before July 13th, and I'm going to explain why, so watch the video. At least 2 days before July 13th. And they will pay it on August 2nd, so keep that in mind. It says in accordance with the rules, a dividend will be actually August 3rd. It's the following business day it gets paid. They're allocating $19.6 million because of their sale, and dividend reinvestment will be about $936.6 million. Okay, and when we're going into why, there's actually a special rule that if a dividend is over 25% of value of the stock, that if you don't own it more than 2 days before the sale, and then if you sell it right after, the person who bought the stock from you gets the dividend payment. And I didn't know that rule until somebody told it to me, but it's very important. So you got to own Shen Communication, sticker symbol SHEN, at least 2 days before, and then you'll get a special dividend of $18.75 per share, which is going to be paid August 2nd. So own it 2 days before July 13th, and you get paid August 2nd, following day, August 3rd, and your payment is $18.75 per share. That's pretty amazing. That's a great return. Anyways, smash a like button, share this with your friends, buy the stock. You could lose anything. Don't take any of my advice. Do some research because this is not investment advice. But you got to keep in mind, the reason why I'm saying that is because people get sued on YouTube. I can't control anything. I'm going to put the links in the description for the videos as soon as I can. So check it out. Shen Tell Communications, $18.75 per share. That's pretty amazing. All right, have a great day. And let me know what you're invested in, what you're doing, or what your thoughts are on this stock.